hour. Right now, we're going to send it to News Channel 9's Julia LeBlanc. She's there, and they're still digging out 24 hours later. Right, Julia?
The North Country slammed with 3 feet of snow since Wednesday. Conditions yesterday almost impossible to drive in. Around 24 hours later, the sun's out, and it's time for people to dig out. This woman forced to leave her car after getting stuck in this lot overnight.
I knew if they plow, I'd be able to get out in the morning, but I couldn't go no farther, so I left it here, and then it looked like they plowed all around me, so now I got to get myself out.
A task she doesn't have to do alone. A few good Samaritans stepping up, including myself, to get her out.
Here we go. We got that good.
A relief after the conditions she had to drive in.
It was pretty rough last night. They even had the plows off the road.
Following a crash involving a car and a plow truck, city workers pulled the plows off the roads last night for a few hours, a decision they say wasn't easy to make.
30 years here, I think we've only pulled the plows off the road, I think once or twice in that time frame.
DPW crews now working overtime today, dumping snow into the Black River. The superintendent says normally they average around 100 inches per year, and they've already reached 88 inches of snow, and it's only February.
To say the least, we've been pretty busy for the last 4 weeks.
Concerns now shifting as we're expecting a warm-up this weekend. Mayor Joseph Butler hoping it won't cause more damage.
That'll make a real big mess, and we'll have some flooding issues at certain spots throughout the city.
In the meantime, digging out isn't so bad when some have the help of their neighbors.
What did you think about all that snow we got last night?
I thought that it was terrible.
Terrible.
In Watertown, Julia LeBlanc, News Channel 9.
Now, as you prepare for the weekend, don't forget to download the Live Doppler 9 app to your tablet or smartphone. Just search WSYR in the App Store or Google Play.